Hi friends, welcome back to today's session of Growing Your Business Digitally with Sawan Kumar. And today we are going to talk about why Shopify has been the best e-commerce platform where you should be having your website. Yes, for the last few years now, since I have known of Shopify, since I have been into this IT industry, I haven't come across a better platform than Shopify. And why I say it to be the best platform, I would be talking about all of these things in details. But before that, this is for those people who are still exploring to get into e-commerce business, or for those people who are already doing e-commerce business, who have been into e-commerce but struggling with the most basics of the basics with these e-commerce websites. We have seen a lot of clients, and we ourselves have struggled a lot when we have used other platforms over Shopify because of the flexibility, because of the ease of Shopify platform. Yes, we will be talking about all the benefits that Shopify as a platform provides, but for people who are already into e-commerce, I know it is going to be difficult. I know and I understand that it's going to be challenging to move from another platform to a new platform, because change is not always easy. But if you have been struggling every single day in managing the smallest of the things, then taking this pain is worth it. Then taking this pain and knowing this new technology is worth it, because it would be reducing your pain to a great extent, and you will be able to focus more on business than the management part of it, then taking care of the websites and the most basic things of it. Yes, so that is why I would recommend you to go with Shopify. Come with Shopify, and let's talk about the benefits that Shopify as a platform offers to every individual person. Now, Shopify, to my experience, when I started with my building my e-commerce website about, I would say, about 8-9 years back, Shopify was the platform that I chose at that point of time. I was a chartered accountant. Being an accountant, I had no knowledge of technology, no understanding of technology, but I still wanted to start with my e-commerce website. And when I googled and searched and understood, after using Wix, after using WordPress, a little bit of those things for my informative website, I find out that Shopify was really easy. By just working for 7 to 8 hours, I was able to launch my e-commerce website. Yes, in the evening I thought of having an e-commerce website, and by the morning my e-commerce website was ready to launch with a few products, with some descriptions about the business, with the about us page and the contact us page. Everything was ready in the next 7 to 8 hours, and I had a basic e-commerce website with payments, with shipping, everything taken care of, done. So that is how easy Shopify is. If somebody like me who has no technical expertise, no technical experience, can get into it and do it, anybody can do it. It is as easy as working on a PowerPoint presentation. And if you're not able to understand something, just go and Google on how to do things, and you will come back and find out that it's really easy to make changes and do the updates. Yes. So the first thing that we notice when we get into the Shopify platform, knowing that it is a really good platform, the first thing that we notice here is the possibility of selecting from a wide range of themes that are available for your website design, depending on what industry you are, depending on what kind of product you are selling, depending on what kind of services you are selling. You have various themes that you can easily choose, take it up, and customize it for yourself. And the best part is that customization is really easy. You can easily go inside and customize it as if you are changing or editing a Word or a PowerPoint document. Nothing more than that. You just have to Google out certain things. No technology required, not a single code required, and you can do all of those things. So choose a theme that is relevant for your industry, relevant for your product, and get on to the business in the next few hours. So that is done. Number two, you get a lot of payment options, easy payment options, Stripe, PayPal, COD. You get all of these payment options that are very easy to integrate. You do not have to do a lot of documentations and take care of a lot of compliances. You just put in the PayPal email ID and you are done. You just set up the Stripe account and you are done. So you are, released from the initial pain of doing all the documentations to set up the PayPal payment gateway, to do the API thing, and there are so many technical things involved if you do choose some other platform. But here it's really easy. 8-9 years back, I just gave my PayPal email ID and my payment system was set up. So what could be easier than that, right? So you have a very easy payment system integration. Next is shipping. You have a very easy and a smooth shipping integration, again similarly to the payment integration. That happening, you have got a very extensive and a very easy support to blogs. You can easily add a blog page and you can keep adding regular contents to blogs, because content anyways has to be added to the website. So you have got a very easy and a comfortable platform that is not at all messed up with so many information, that is only for e-commerce websites, and you get only what you would need. It does not have a lot of things. It is so customized and so well done that you only get to see the things that you need. You won't get a lot of extra or additional information. So updating the blogs and adding a blog or creating a blog is really easy with Shopify. Next is, whenever you are doing an e-commerce website, it really is difficult to understand and track all the kinds of data, which Shopify makes it really easy. Then you have got thousands and thousands of applications on Shopify that you can install, run, and pay very small monthly fees at times. And a lot of applications are even free of cost, so you can pay a small monthly fee and use those. High on technology, high on cost if you would have done it on your own, but you get all of those apps by paying small monthly fees, and you only pay them when you get the business. You do not continue it for the next month if you are not able to grow your e-commerce website. So what better than that? You are getting to use so many apps by paying $5, $10 or $15 a month. So that is the kind of power you get with Shopify. Now the entire Shopify platform in itself is optimized for SEO. You just need to take care of a certain basic things and you are good to go with an optimized site which works well on Google, which works well on mobiles, which works well on the desktops and computers. Next is, you can very easily add discount codes. You can very easily add coupons. You can very easily add different kind of emailing systems to this to the platform. Conditional emails. What if a customer does not buy the product? What if the customer buys the product? The thank you email, the confirmation email. All of these things are so easy to set and design and customize that you are in the best hands. POS integration. Yes, this is one feature that is again a necessity today, because if you are having an offline store and you also have an online store, this POS integration helps you a lot so that your inventory remains in control and you are doing your business center in a centralized way. And if you are technical, Shopify gives you extensive options to go inside the codes and make custom changes to it. So if you are technical and you do not want things in a particular way and you want those to be customized in your way, you have those options too. So it is not that it is only for people who are wanting to do it on their own. It is also for the technical people, for the web development agencies who can help you build the most custom websites using the Shopify platform. The next is, we have there is a big challenge of choosing the right platform where to host the website, because of the security, because of the speed, because of so many issues that are there, and we fail at most of the times. Whereas if we choose Shopify, we are just stress free about the platform, because everything is being taken care of by Shopify. They take care of the hosting, they take care of the security, they take care of the payments, the shipping. Everything is taken care of by them. So you just need to relax, sit back and run your business. Everything else is taken care of by Shopify. Yeah. Next is, you can very easily integrate social media platforms. You can very easily integrate live chatting part to it. You can very easily add the different kind of reporting mechanisms to it. So these are the things which is why I suggest and I say very strongly to go with Shopify if you want to start with your e-commerce business. After working with more than 1000 clients for the last 5 years with my IT company. I haven't found anything better than this. And if you can show me, or if you can help me in finding anything better than this, I have all my ears open and I have all my eyes open to see and understand why you say that any other platform is a better platform than Shopify. Yes, we do have Magento, we do have WooCommerce. I won't say that they are not good. They are equally good, but there are certain things, certain aspects which if makes Shopify distinct, which makes Shopify unique from anything else and the best among everybody else. And that is why Shopify has grown phenomenally in the last few years. Phenomenally. Shopify has grown like anything. So if you too want to grow easily and still want to do a big business, Shopify is the platform for you. Wish you all the best for the digital successes. And if you have any questions or if you want to sign up to Shopify, follow the link given below. Sign up there and you can ask for my assistance if you ever need it, and I will be there to help you out. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.